Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this short video, I'm going to finish Unit 6 Culture and Civilization Writing Lessons. In the second video, I will cover grammar lessons. Okay, so here, writing lessons are lesson 9 and lesson 10. Also, we can show the book here. In lesson 9, writing, we have 4 exercises A, B, C, and D. For exercise A, students only need to write the special words, no sentences, like the groom drinks sherbet with the prize. Let's go first to the exercise itself. You are going to read about Islamic weddings in India. Exercise A, look quickly at the article opposite, find and copy the events into the correct places in table 1 opposite. Write any English translation in brackets after special words. Let's look here and see. This is a text here. This is a text you read and answer the questions. The questions here. Or to fill the table. Table 1, ceremonies in an Islamic wedding in India. Before the wedding, during the wedding, and after the wedding. Don't forget to write what? As directed here, try translation. Translation of any special words in brackets. I can show an example here of translation. So we have Mangini between two brackets is what? Engagement. Mehendi between two brackets is what? Henna. Like our culture here, we have henna before the wedding and during the wedding and after the wedding. Do not write in full sentences. Be short as possible as you can. So here, the groom drinks sherbet with the bride's brother is another example of what? Of events that occur maybe in the beginning or in the middle or during and after. Right? But the most important thing here, I will shed light on or focus is writing a topic sentence using similarities and differences. This is the core, or this is the most important part of lesson 9 writing. Exercises B, C, and D you have to do students here because simply they are what? You look again and check differences, write sentences comparing India with your culture, and D, I will explain it with details here to be done by us. But let me talk a little bit about what topic sentences or writing a topic sentence. We have a skills check 1, writing a topic sentence. A paragraph usually starts with a topic sentence. A topic sentence prepares a reader for the content of the paragraph. A good topic sentence is like a door, it opens the paragraph and leads into it. So there is no paragraph without a topic sentence. A topic sentence is the most important part of the paragraph. It's the core of the paragraph. We have examples here. Paragraph content and topic sentence. On the left, the similarities between X and Y and the difference between X and Y. Topic sentence for the first one, there are many similarities between Sudanese culture or Sudanese wedding culture and Indians or Indian wedding culture. This is a topic sentence of the first paragraph about what? About similarity between the two cultures. The second topic sentence, differences between the two cultures. There are also some differences between X and Y. So this is very important. Any piece of writing or in terms of paragraph, or if you want to write a paragraph, you start with the topic sentence, the most important part of a paragraph. Then you write what are called supporting sentences, support this topic sentence. For example, you can see there are many similarities between Sudanese culture and Indian culture. For example, you can say in both cultures, the henna happens before, or the henna party happens before the wedding, and so on and so forth. And for differences also, you can use the text to write how they are different. This is uh, a video about lesson 9, the most important things in lesson 9. For lesson 10, let's go and see. Lesson 10, writing. We have also 4 exercises, A, B, C, and D. For exercise A, the question is what? Put these words into pairs, explain your choices. I'll do one for you as an example in the PowerPoint presentation here. So I put man, groom, and boy as one group because all of them about what? About males or male. And you do the rest in the same way. Please do the rest yourselves. For exercise B, in Indian culture, who also you read the text and answer these questions from the text. It's straightforward, it doesn't need more explanation. For exercise C, every paragraph needs a topic sentence, and we talk about this. Skills check 1. I have read skills check 1. If you remember in lesson 9, writing, write a simple topic sentence for each of the paragraphs you wrote in lesson 9 or lesson 9 exercise D. So you have ideas about writing a topic sentence as I explained in 9. For exercise D, let me look here. Exercise B, C, and okay, B, C, you do them. Exercise D, the most important point here is linking sentences in a logical order. Let's see. We have skills check 2, linking sentences. Fine. Sorry. Linking sentences. The sentences in a paragraph must be linked, joined together. In other words, the reader must not be surprised by a sentence. There must be a logical link between each sentence and the next. Example here, you wrote as the Mingini, which means engagement ceremony, a man and a woman become engaged to be married. What can you write next? Some details about the ceremony, perhaps. So you have to talk about the engagement itself, how it happens, who attend the engagement. Do not write something about about another event. Just focus on what? Engagement. Then you write about during the wedding and add more examples. This is what's called, or this is what's meant by linking sentences together logically. So logically, they flow in sequence or in a logical order. We have 2 types of order, logical order and chronological order. Here the focus is what is logical order. Logical means acceptance. The sentences or the supporting sentences about what? About one point. If you say before the wedding there are many events, or you focus on before, and if you say there are many differences, you focus on the differences. So here our example is engagement. You write at the beginning, a woman engaged, and to the end, what can you write next? You can write some more sentences about the engagement, more ideas or more sentences to support or to add details to it. So this is what is meant by linking sentences in a logical order. So the sentence must be related and happen in sequence, one after another, and must be acceptable. So by now I've finished uh, writing lessons, lesson 9 and 10, and this is the end of the first short video of writing lessons. In the next video, I will continue grammar lessons 11 and 12 in the same way. Fine, let's meet